Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So I want to introduce to you this new online banking website. I will show you how it works, each and every section of the website. I'll show you how it works, and I will also show you how you can set up this kind of website for either yourself or for your clients. Everything will go smoothly and very easy. So the part you're looking at right now is the home page. We also have the user dashboard and the admin dashboard. So you are looking at the home page right now. This is the desktop view of the home page. So let me show you how the mobile view looks like. Okay, you can see now this is how the mobile view looks like. So you can see that now. You can see that. So one feature of this website is that users can be able to create an account. So when you go to create an account now, you can be able to create an account and have your own account details for this online banking site. So you can see, then you fill in all these details, you click on proceed to the last form, then until you get that your account has been created. So but right now I will log in into my dashboard with my demo account. So this is my demo account now. Just log in into the dashboard. Okay, so this is how the dashboard looks like. So you can see this is how the dashboard looks like now. See that now. You can see that. You can see that. So what I'll do is I'll log out. We'll log out and I'll go to create account. So I'm putting a surname of Peter. Middle name will be John. Other name can be Mark. Job title can be a cab driver. Marital status is what, married, and position can be, let's say, cab driver. I'll click on what, proceed. Email address, put in phone number. House address, let's say Mount Avenue. City, New York. State can be California. I'll just put a zip code of this, and then country can be United States. Then I'll click on proceed. So type of account will be savings, and I'll choose my currency here. So my currency will be US dollars. Click on next. Oh, okay. Account name will be John Peter. So deposit amount, this one I want you to open the account now, will be 10,000, 100,000. Click on next. So the security question, red color is blue. Say John, put my password, click on next. So now it's asking for a photo. So I'll just upload the photo, just upload this and click on create account. Now you can see account created successfully. So you can see that now. Now I will log in with my email. Log in with my email, put in my password and click on sign in. So you can see now that my account balance is what, zero USD. So I just created this account. The next thing I'll do is to try to carry out any action in this account. When I go to fund transfer, it's telling me your account is currently pending. Contact support for account activation. So my account needs to be activated before I can carry out any action. So now I'll go back to the admin side. This is the admin. I will put in my admin password. Okay, so I just logged into the admin dashboard. You can see this account which I just created now. You can see the account now. So what I'll do, I'll go to account. When I go to account, I'll go to edit. You can see this account now. This is the email address I created now. I go to edit. So you can see now the account activation. I'll make it what's approved. Now I'll click on update record. Now record has been what's updated. So you can see now that I will go back to my user dashboard now. I will load. Then if I go to phone transfer, you can see that the page opened. I see that the page, if transfer page opened. So what I'll do, I'll go to my admin again to fund this particular account. So I'll credit the account now. You can go to see credit and debit account now. I'll click on it. Now I'll select the email address of the person which I want to credit. This is the email address. I'll enter the amount. Now I'll put in the dates, enter narration, let's say account funding, enter action, credits, credits. Then I'll credit the account. Account has been credited. When I come here again, and you can see now that my balance has increased. I funded with 60,000 just now. I remember I opened the account with 100,000. So now you can see we are having this total balance here. So what I'll do now is I'll go to fund transfer. Go to funds transfer. Okay, in fund transfer, I'll put in the account name which I want to transfer to. Now let's say Susan Force. The account number is this. Bank name, let's say Starway Bank. IBAN number, the country will be Netherlands. Amounts, so let's say 2,000. Say flight fees. I'll click on what transfer. So you're about to make a transfer of 2,000 to Susan Forward. You can see that you click on what OK. Now it's asking me to enter my transfer code. So you can get this transfer code from the admin. So you come there, you see what view transfer process code. Look at it there. So you click on you click on it. Now you can see the various code for different users, but this user which I created doesn't have a code yet. So I'll come to generate code, and I'll select the email address of the particular user, and I'll enter the code which I want to use. Now the code which I want to generate is transfer processing code. So I'll click on transfer processing code, which is now active, as you can see. Then I'll click on OK. Then when I go to transfer process code again, I reload this page. You can see the code now. You can see it now. You can see it now. So I'll copy the code, put it here. Click on proceed. So it's still in process. Now it's asking for non-residential task code. So I'll still come to, you can see view task code here. The user does not have a code, so I'll come to generate code again. Select the email and put in the code again and click on view task code. I see task code is now active. So when I go to task code now, you can see the code here. So all you have to do is refresh. I see the code now. I'll put the code and click on proceed. Now for IMF code, I'll still do the same thing. I'll go to IMF. You can see that this user has no code, has no IMF code. I'll still generate a new code for the user. I'll generate the same code and click on IMF. So I'll refresh now. Go to view IMF code. You can see that. Then you come again. I'll put in the code. Then I'll click on proceed. Now you can see fund transfer was successful. So you can see that now. Your transaction was successful. I'll click on proceed again. Now you can see my balance has been reduced. The amount which I transferred was deducted from my balance now. So and then when we come to this place for the account statement, you can see that now. So when I come to the admin, I can see transaction history of select the email. So you can see that now. You can still be able to delete the transaction too. So that is it. So and come back to the user side. So when it goes to credit card, I see no card available for this account. So I'll make a card available for this account now. I'll go back to the admin. You can see so I go to apply for loans. Now I'm requesting for a loan of 50,000. The business name of if any. So I don't know business name for this account. Let's say a loan of 1 year. Purpose of loan to purchase a new car. I'll request for loan. So you can see loan request sent successfully. Then when you come to the admin and you go to loan, you can be able to approve the loan or delete the loan. So if I click on approve now, you can see record has been updated. So you can see that now. Loan was approved. You can see loan was approved. So basically, this is how the website works. So when you come to this top part here, when you click on accounts, you're able to see the account number, account currency, account type, and account name of this of the logged in account. So now what I will show you is how you can actually set up this kind of website for yourself or for your clients. And to be able to set this kind of website, you need to have your domain name, you need to have an hosting, and then you also need to have the script file, which you can get by contacting me through my contact details. It's actually on this video description. So I will show you how you can set up this kind of website now. I'll log into my cPanel, then I'll go to File Manager. In your own case, you would want to upload the file under public underscore HTML. So click on public underscore HTML and click on upload. Then you select the particular zip file which you want to upload. By the time the file has been uploaded, you will come there and you want extract. And when you extract, you have something like this. When you extract, you have this. When you extract, this is what you have. This is it. By the time you extract, so you will find this installation guide test file here. All you have to do is what, read through it for installation details. So you can see download and extract zip file to public directory or subfolder or subdomain. Create a new database and import database.sql file inside SQL folder. So this is the what SQL folder which has the SQL file. You can see it now. Then to create database, you come to the home page of your cPanel. You will search for database wizard. You can see this is it. Database wizard. Then you click on it. So from here, you'll be able to create a database. Then when you click on next step, create database username and database what password. And to set a database, you can see edit 3 files below to set database. First of all, you go to the PHP folder. Let's go to PHP folder. Then you can see edit the person file. I see this one, edit the person file. So when you come here, you can see go to line 12. Line 12, you can see you put your database username here, your database password, your database name here. Come to line 21 again, you can see the same thing here, here and here. Then when you're done, you click on what? You click on save. The next one is the admin folder and the connect.php file. So that's where we'll go to next. The admin folder, this admin folder, and then connect.php. Okay, we edit connect.php file. Okay, so there's nothing here. So you have to go to register and then go to connect. So you can see now you put in the DB name, the DB username, and the DB password. And click on what? Save what? Changes. Now, to set the mail, you go to PHP folder and the functions.php file. So let's go back to the PHP folder, the functions.php file. So you can see now this is where you set your mail. Set your mail. So the mail is actually sent. Let me show you an example of the mail. You can see now. See the email. You can see the email that was sent. Then when I did the transaction, you can see the email. You can see that now. So for now, you can get your demo account details and your admin demo details here. So this is how you can be able to set up the website. And then if you have any difficulty setting it up, you can still contact me for support. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my subsequent videos.